and I didn't know anything about computer science. Then I moved on to post-graduation. There I did some computer science. Now, today the students of 11th and 12th class are far ahead than me. I'll tell them that when they do programming, take the correct input as well as wrong input. Okay? If it is wrong, then what should happen? If it is correct, and what should be the output? So this is about computer science, and computer science, when you talk of programming languages, okay, these languages are understood by the computers only. These are artificial languages. So in general, we are doing artificial languages. So intelligence only is not artificial. So programming languages we are doing, they are not natural languages, they are meant for computers. Natural languages means the languages we talk. So we don't talk in Python, we don't talk in any other language. So these are also artificial languages, but the term which was coined for such languages is called programming languages. Now, in general, when you proceed or when you go ahead, it is not that only coding will help you. You have to excel not only in coding but in other things also. And if you are not able to do coding, don't think one stops there. No, you can get placement or job elsewhere also. You excel or you make yourself best in some software, and that's like you want to file income tax return. So there is a software for that. So I'm not doing it myself. I may hand it over to somebody else. Because he knows each and everything about it. So coding is not the only thing which you must learn. You must learn about the software. So best of luck to all those students. Not only doing computer science, but you have to do computer science. All the streams now require knowledge of computer science. One thing which I would request to the principal is that if it is possible, if he gets a platform, to make computer science as a basic science now. So I have been fighting since in 2000 to make it as a basic science, but nobody accepts it. So physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, these are basic sciences, but computer science is not a basic science. So we must do something. Now the time has come. It was 2000, I said that okay, time has come to make it a basic science. Even in 2025, nobody is accepting it. So if you get a platform, please do something to make it as a basic science.
Thank you.
Okay, that's all. Best of luck.
Thank you.